Ooh, so we got one today with this Pinterest. Been waiting on this guy for a hot minute. Love this setup. Love this name. Easy breakout setup. 2-minute trade review. Let's go. All right, so let's first start with the daily setup here with this Pinterest. So what we always love, earnings gap ups. We saw this gap up on earnings, and it was due to their immense sales growth. We love both of those things. Now we're looking at this earnings flag right here. We go to a weekly chart, and we could see that it had its earnings flag right up into this all-time high level. This is when they opened their IPO in 2019. They tested the level again late in August, and now finally they've surpassed the level on cataclysmic volume. Everything's looking good right now for Pinterest. So here's the earnings flag that we love. Let's go into the actual executions of the trade. All right, so here's that daily chart for Pinterest. We could see I bought today. We could see the cataclysmic volume that it had. Let's go intraday and figure out how we did this. So this is the whole reason I wanted to talk about this was, so we saw, and this is obvious to see. Look at this opening 5-minute volume bar. This is when I started buying 38. You don't have to, measure things. You can just look at the previous day's value. Like, look at this volume, and then look at this opening volume. You can tell something has changed in the chart. So we all start buying 38, and this is a breakout setup. So I'm not buying against a support level. I need volume on my side. I need volume to stay consistent. I'm only giving these buys to this low of day right here. I need this trade setup to work right now. That's very key about breakout setups. So we buy this 38, and it goes to 39.25, and it pulls into this 38 right here. And I saw everyone complaining, oh man, dirty girl, Pinterest, blah, blah, blah. And it's like, we know the volume's there. Now we're just getting more and more information. This is retesting the 38 breakout level. So we want to see these buyers show up again. It's okay that it's coming back. That's what stocks do. So it comes back. It holds this 38 area, holds these lows most importantly, gives us another pop. I kick some into that 39.50 when it makes a new high. It pulls back to this 38 breakout level, and this is when the real tears are coming from traders today. But really, you can't be crying. You can't have such a bias. You have to be able to read information. You have to be able to perceive information. So this is coming to test these 38 buyers again. What do we want to see? We want to see these buyers hold, and these buyers did exactly that. I bought some more. SPY was looking a little shaky, so I kicked it for $1. I was risking 50 cents, kicked it for $1. That was just some intraday trading. And then, I held on to a huge core position. I took some off end of day, and now this thing looks amazing. Broke out to new all-time highs, new all-time high close, huge volume. Everything's looking very good for the swing trade right here, and I'll trail it to this low of day. And, I got a serious winner on my hands, so I'm going to let it ride. I don't want to rush out of my stock. But this Pinterest gave us some good love today. We've been waiting on it for a while. Patience pays, baby.